But this is Jessie, and this is the Ankarsrum Ice Cream accessory. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here. I have not yet opened it. Don't expect a high production value here. Okay, so I was thinking I desperately wanted ice cream. Okay, I see. Thank you. And I wanted to see what was in here. Might have to switch our angle, huh? I had to switch our angle because I am too short. Like my nails, my daughter did that. I am too short to actually reach things on the countertop. Okay, this I think is a lid. It seems like a lid. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this seems to be something. Hey kiddo, you want to hold this camera for me?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. My assistant is going to help. Please don't mind my messy Ankarsrum. I have it right next to my messy Thermomix because they are my two best friends in the kitchen. I'm sure you guys feel the same way. So here we go. You want to show us how to assemble this? Okay, my assistant is going to show us how to assemble this.
Okay, so first, with the labeled by the number 1, you do the big white Ankarsrum bowl. You can it's white, so you can't really see the letters, but you can feel them if you run your finger along the side. You put it onto the base, like that. Then is this piece.
Ah, the little white piece.
Which looks kind of like a melon slicer, except in real life it doesn't.
That's that piece we tried to attach earlier and I couldn't figure it out.
Yeah. Anyway, you'll know it because it has these two handles on it.
Okay, put it in, please.
This goes inside. Here's this metal bowl. You can tell it's the metal bowl by its rimming and the black line.
This is also the bowl that you put in the freezer in advance. We have not done that. We just opened this up. So this is just to show you.
Then it's number 4 with this. It has this tip thing, and I believe that means that it goes like this with the tip facing you.
Yeah, I need you to keep it a little lower, buddy.
And then, wrong one. And then you get this out. This handle thing. It attaches on to the paddle, and it can spin the paddle. I don't think this is one where you have to use this attachment.
Oh yeah, that's not an attachment.
Always attached to the Thermomix.
This is not a Thermomix.
Then this number, oh yeah, sorry, I mean Ankarsrum. And then this number 6, I have no idea what to do with it.
Huh, we'll have to sort that out. Okay, let's try that again.
This is supposed to go in the metal bowl.
Okay, wait, how do you do it then?
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Oh, is that the storage lid?
Yeah, this is the storage lid, so you can put this in the freezer.
Don't beat up my stuff.
I'm trying to put it in.
Don't. Okay, so finish putting it together? No, yeah. Okay. So once again, as you can tell, this is definitely a janky cooking with Jessie. But this is what you will get if you order the ice cream maker attachment for your Ankarsrum. I'm very excited to try it. I'm assuming some of you are out there wondering, what comes in the ice cream maker attachment? Well, this is what comes.
Wait a sec. It needs to lock there.
There you go, and it locks. Thank you for watching. We will probably make an ice cream video tomorrow. We'll see. Certainly I'll be trying to make space in the freezer so that we can actually freeze this. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. I want to call your attention to this here. If you scan this QR code, it will actually take you to the Ankarsrum page and take you to all the information about the ice cream attachment on that page. Good to know.